Hi guys, it's Casey. I'm going to tell you what's the difference between these two French market bags. They are exactly the same size, but they are so different. And the difference is in these loops or window size. So this one's got a bigger one and this one's got a smaller windows, as you can see. There is advantage in both, but the main is probably this one can hold much more weight than the other one. But the other one, the yellow one, has got advantage of using much less yarn. As you can see, it's much smaller compared to the red one. So the yellow one was also finished very fast. Within 2 hours you can have this bag, and you use like 150 meters of yarn, which is probably 60 grams. So what's the main difference? As you can see, the loops are made the same. So you have chain of 5 stitches here, and they are hooked together or stitched together by a single crochet. If you don't know what single crochet is or how to make it, follow my YouTube video for beginners, the basic patterns for beginners, and you will find a single crochet tutorial. And this one, it's got also chain of 5, but I secured the chains together with a slip stitch. Slip stitch holds the chain much tighter. It doesn't let loose the chain that much, and that's the reason why the bag can hold also more weight inside than the yellow one, where the chain secured together with a single crochet. So how do I make the bag? So usually I start with the collar, with the top of the bed, which is this one, and I chain 5 rows of single crochet. So you always turn your work and you make 5 rows. Then I work on the body, and then I finish the body with another 5 rows of single crochet. That's how you get the body of the bag. And then in the same way you continue on the side. So you start on one side with a single crochet row which goes all over the bag. So I create 6 rows of single crochet which goes all around in one go. So you don't have to split it, you don't have to cut it anywhere, you just go all around 6 times of single crochet. If you want to know more how to make this bag, please follow my video on my channel, how to make a French market bag. See you then, and good luck. Thank you for watching. Bye.